day 2 dito sa SG.
Late kami nagising.
Oh, yan. So medyo late kami nagising. Pero actually, sakto ano lang, okay lang naman kasi 10 AM pa naman ang open ni USS, which is yun yung plan naming pagstayan. Cool day. So they are open from 10 AM to 9 PM this holiday season. So yun, buong araw kami mag-i-stay doon. And ano, sasakin daw nila lahat. Ako mauupo. Okay, so see you there. Pagbaba ng elevator, yan yung unang-unang makikita. Actually may restaurant, Senshi Sushi and Grill. Mas maganda rin yung yan. Parang may bar din sila dito. So yan pala yung elevator. Yan. Nag-book na pala kami ng Grab. Actually, yung plan talaga namin is mag-take ng MRT. Pero siguro baka bukas na lang. For now, mag-grab na lang muna kami. Kasi mas mura naman ang Grab dito eh. Kahapon nag-try kami. Hi baby. Nag-try kami mag-taxi. So natuwa kami. Kala namin nasa $5 lang. Pero pag baba namin, $13 mas mahal pa kaysa sa Grab. So ito yung nabook namin na car today. So see you sa USS.
Nandito kami. We're staying at Hard Rock Hotel Sentosa. So right now, since hindi siya masyadong convenient, dahil lumalabas din kami, we now decided to stay at the city and just travel here pag pupunta kami ng Universal Studios and Harry Potter.
So yun, nasa drop-off point na kami. So dito pala lahat na dinadrop. Yan, para makapunta sa sa Sentosa. Actually, anong hotel to? Michael? I think this is Michael Hotel, diba? Usually naman dito naman talaga yung drop point. Papunta sa sa USS. Basta inside in Sentosa. So, Harry Potter Visions of Magic. So, pupunta kami dyan sa Sunday. So, yun ang schedule namin. Sa Sunday namin siya binook. Kasi nakafix din to yung date na pagpunta nyo. So, yan.
Habang pilo.
Hawa ng pila.
Purchase your cloak. Type. Daenerys cloak. Okay. Wala pa kami.
Wala pang clock. Sana. Aakit ka ng escalator. So, nakalagay naman dito. Yan. Universal Studios and Sea Aquarium to the left. Yan na. Welcome back to USS. And minions yung nila ngayon. Team nila ngayon. Dami rin tao. So this is a Friday pala. We book a Friday day pala. Kasi before, kala ko yun lang yung may up until 9 PM. Pero nung chinek ko ngayon sa Google, up until the 30th, lahat sila 9 PM na. Yan na yung globe ng USS. Daming tao. Universal. Kaya nandito kami, nakapila kami sa self-check-in counter. So i-scan mo lang yung dito. Since binili natin si admission ticket kay Klook, yan. I-scan lang natin yung parang QR. So madali lang naman. Marami namang nag-assist. Ay, medyo mahaba yung pila dun sa So, yan. Inside! Welcome to Universal Studios Singapore!
596.
It's been a while. I think 2 years? Yes. Nung last kami pumunta dito. Ayan, makikita nyo kung gaano kahaba yung pila. Haba ng pila. Pero worth it to. Before nung pumunta kami dito,
Walang tao.
parang nag-stay lang kami. Tsaka walang tao. Kasi nga during the pandemic yun eh. Pero ito, open na talaga. Kaya talagang dami ng tao. Pero mahaba naman yung operating hours ngayon eh. Until 9. Before hanggang 5 lang yata kami kasi humabol pa kami sa Humabol pa kami sa Skyline Lodge. So now, talagang susulitin namin to. Kasi yun yung nakita namin nung kami, na Universal Studios Japan kami, na worth it magstay hanggang gabi. So, yan. Samahan nyo kami. So, yun. We went here. We tried to get a pass. Usually kasi pag PWD ka, nakakuha ka talaga ng mga pass for some rides. But this, sa USS, we were able to get a express pass for the 3 of us for free. So may mga meron lang 3 rides talaga na hindi ka pwede na gamitin niya kasi talagang sobrang haba ng pila. Pero for all of the rides, yun, may express pass kami. So nakalibre kami ng express pass. So yan talaga. Mukhang susulitin na talaga nilang ngayon yung mga rides the whole day. So last time we were here, yung Ken Delicious nasa outside ng ng team park. Ngayon nasa loob na siya. So ito yung Ken Delicious pala. So from the word Ken Delicious talagang all kinds of candies. Diba? Eh ganyan, pwede mong mag-mix. Yung mga yan. And then meron din mga mga nakapack na, which is mo na lang, gagrab mo na lang and pay. Diba? So yan, mag-asawa ka dito. Ikaw na talagang sasakit ang lalamunan. At sasakit ang bulsa na rin kasi syempre mahal. Naman $18 so grabe. Yung nga napansin ko medyo pricey talaga, especially inside the theme parks talaga. Yung yung Grab driver nga namin kanina, ina-advise kami na if you're going to buy water, since allowed naman ang water inside the theme park, mag-buy ka na sa 7-Eleven, makakabili ka mga $2, $3 yata yung water. Because inside the theme park, sabi niya, ayun, mga $10 daw yan. So, times 4 or times 5 yung yung price. So, yan. Unfortunately, hindi kami nakabili. So, we'll have to stick na lang talaga to buy inside. At ang magaling kong asawa, nakalimutan magdala ng iniwan yung wallet niya. So, nakalimutan ng pera. So, tapos, ang ATMs nasa labas ng theme park. So, buti na lang may dala akong cards. So, yun muna gagamitin namin dito for the theme park. So, kontaya ngayon.
Yes.
Yung magaling kong asawa, iniwan yung pera niya. Iniwan yung wallet. Iniwan yung wallet. Iniwan din yung pera.
Pati cards.
Pati cards. Nung nilalantak ang candy na agad ng bagets. Kulit nung nila. Itong Christmas tree nila. Yun na, mga rides na. So, as you can see, maganda yung weather today. Even though nung nag-weather forecast ako sa Google for ilang days, so even though na nag-weather forecast nga ako sa Google for ilang days, halos buong stay namin dito sa Singapore is going to be rainy. So surprisingly, it's sunny today. Yan ang araw. Hopefully hindi naman sobrang maaraw at hindi namin ma-enjoy yung park. Pero so far okay naman. Sa first ride namin sa Trolls, so may mga showtime siya eh. Like, ito yung first show, 11:30. So hopefully umabot kami. Actually out pala kami, may express pass nga pala kami. So yun yung regular na pila. Dito kami sa express pass. Woo! Courtesy of Rachel. And may enjoy talaga namin yung park. Sobrang ikli lang ng So sabihan ko lang mo rin kayo, since kakita nyo naman kanina kumakain diba? kumakain ng candy si Danny. So, bago kayo pumasok dito, paubos niya na sa mga anak niyo yung ano, pagkain kasi no foods allowed. No foods allowed. First show, first ride. Going in na. Sakto lang yung time namin pag sa entrance. Ito yung first ito yung first attraction. So sakto, 11:13 first show. Yan, nakuha namin agad.
We're a fan of Troll, you know?
Ganda oh. Makakapamili ka pa agad ng gusto mong chair kasi nga express pass ka. Ang galing. DreamWorks Trolls. Yeah.
Lapit mo. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Danny! Yeah!
Why, totally. We are here to celebrate me. No, we are here to celebrate the first ever Uptime Jubilee.
Today's the perfect day, every single day. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm going on there right now, nothing can bring me down. Ooh, 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 ooh. Shout from the highest mountains I can.
Let's brunch!
Yan na si Megatron. Transformers the ride. Second ride, Transformers. Who's excited? Ayan, haba na pila nila kami exercise pass. Pero actually, nung sabi nung babae kanina, not all rides talaga yung sobrang bilis ng pila. So even though na naka-express pass ka, you still have to queue pa rin.
Parang instead of 3 hours or 2 hours ng pila, dito mas
Ayan na, malapit na kami. Medyo matagal-tagal din yung pinila. Siguro mga nasa around 20 to 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Ayan. Pero yan, malapit na kami. Ayan na. About to pick up. Ayan na. Napakuha na ng glasses eh.
Cancel lang.
Ayan na, sasakay na kami. Ngayon yung sasakyan eh. So, para kang nasa ano lang.
Bot.
Return! Go!
Behind you. Got it.
Maybe a little warning for me next time. We just escaped Megatron.
Megatron! Uy, basa na, basa na, basa!
Find a way out of here. Wrong way. We're trapped.
Oh!
You will be mine. It belongs to me. Take cover.
Oh!
Escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. Run his vortex. We need cover. Hold on. Sideswipe. Looking. Hey, let's get more of this. We got it. Here comes Jam. It's him again. Activate battleships. You're hit. Hold on. Brace yourself. Everybody okay? Got it right now. Optimus. Heroes fight. Is with me. On our own.
Huh?
What do we do? No more running. He can have it. Oh no. Report. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Alright, we're done. How is it? Actually, sila nag-survive. Ayun, nasarapan ako nag-survive. Hilo. Kahit nag-bonamin ako, 2 tablet, nahilo pa rin ako. But I like the ride. It's recommended. Hindi lang talaga siya sa mga may hindi lang talaga siya recommended dun sa may mga motion sickness. Pero ayan. Pero yan, after na ride as usual, may mga merchandise so you can buy here. Tumakbo na sila, nakita na nila si Megatron. Is this Megatron nga ba? No, it's not, I think. I think this is, Optimus Prime and Bumblebee. Na kami yung mag-order sa Mel's Diner. Hindi namin in-avail yung free voucher namin kasi yung pala, yung mga Christmas meal pala dun sa pinurchase namin kasama yung USS ticket namin. Iba yung meal. Actually, okay din naman. Like, may mga croissant. Kaso dito sa Mel's Diner, hindi maganda yung kasama eh. So, siguro for dinner na lang namin gagamitin. So, we paid in cash muna siguro ngayon. So, we're waiting for our food lang. Ito yung dalawa ko. Naiinip na rin. Grabe naman kasi haba naman ng pila eh. Hirap na nga kumuha ng... Ang hirap kumuha ng seat. Tapos ang hirap pang kumuha ng silya. yung pagkain namin. So yan, kinain nyo. Ano yung kinain nyo? Mushroom burger, right? So it comes with a fries. Actually, drink.
Extra. It's extra.
Yes.
You need
Extra
to pay.
na. Doon sa meal natin, yes, meron kasama. Pero for this, ano,
May price lang.
$5 yung soft drinks while yung burger is $17 comes with fries. Apat pa nga yung binigay na baso. Nasobrahan ng punch na isa. Ang galing. So anyway, mamaya na lang namin siguro pag nauho kami, pwede kami mag-refill siguro ng drinks or anything. Or makumuha ng drinks dito. Anyway, so we'll enjoy our meal. Bye! Jurassic Park Rapids Adventure. Bukas na rin sa wakas. Ilang theme park na yung napuntahan ko, laging sarado. So ayan. Kaso wala kaming dalang wala kaming dalang pambalot sa katawan. Okay na yan kahit wala. Let's go. Sayang ang $6. Wala kasi kaming dalang raincoat. Usually may dala kami. Kaso lagi naman sarado. Ngayon wala kaming dala bukas. So ayan, try namin to. Yan, as usual, express bus kami. Haba ng pila. Sa amin, ito lang. May dalawang mabait na Koreano. Binigyan sila ng na raincoat. Ako wala. Ako lang mababasa. So hindi ako magbablog.
Kasi ikaw pa yung mag-vlog.
Yeah. Actually, ikaw na lang mag-vlog, baby. So yun na nga, dahil nga ako yung walang raincoat, look what happened to me. I'm so wet. Going to buy new clothes. Actually, sila nga basa pa rin oh. Pero grabe, ang swerte ng pwesto ko eh. Ang swerte ng pwesto ko. Ako pa talaga, ako yung sumalo ng mga pati dun sa drop, ako yung nakasentro. Yun tuloy, basang-basa.
Nagtatawin nga siya ng mga computer.
Hanap tayo ng clothes for me. Hanap ng clothes.
Pili mo Jurassic Park. Si Jeremy. Meron palang drawing pads. Ganyan, no? So, patutuyuin mo yung sarili mo. So, ayan sila. Papatuyo silang There's a dinosaur.
3 generations of
Velociraptor.
Very nice. If you're like we're in the ocean, nice wave. Yeah, boom. Hello, bitch. Nice to see you all. Welcome to Jurassic World. Great to have you on the ferry. Fine. Crazy. One, two, three. Roar!
We are now here at Far Far Away.
The best afternoon. Enjoy your festive season. Some festive seasoning, some chicken salt.
We're here at Shrek.
Chicken salt, you know that.
So, yan yung nakikita nating castle dun sa Sentosa. Pagpasok mo ng Sentosa.
Don't worry, they can find.
Shrek kami. Ito. Kasi sobrang init. We're gonna use our express pass. Yan yung regular lane and then we're here. We're on express pass.
Ayan, kakatapos lang namin manood ng Shrek. Ayan, lalakad muna kami, chill-chill lang. Actually, medyo dumidilim na. So, baka biglang umulan. Hanap muna kami ng magandang cover. Pero pupunta kami dun sa place ng Despicable Me. Ayan. So, next ride. Sarado pala yung Minions. So, dito kami napunta. Sa Sesame Street. Ilang beses na rin namin na-try to actually. Ayan o. Yung babaril-baril ka. Mga baril ba to?
Hindi.
Wala lang talaga. Pambatang pambata. So anyway. Ayan siya.
Tayo sa... Ewan ko. Elmo. It's Elmo.
You're going to space in that thing. Good luck.
Good luck, Oscar the Grouch.
Get good. Save that spaghetti.
That's 4 seconds to countdown.
We're far. We're up. Whoa.
Outer space!
Spaghetti. Ten and ten and ten and ten and ten and ten. We're down.
I have everything under control.
Really?
I'm holding it.
And I've got you too. This land is coming to a boil. Take a walk.
Intruders.
Seize them.
Oh, hey, Cookie Monster, why are you eating spaghetti? Are you the spaghetti monster? Done na. Papunta kami ng lights, camera, action. Hindi, this is my favorite. Favorite ko to. Ganda nito. Pagod na? This is sila. This is a Steven Spielberg.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and this well, I know it doesn't look like much now, but trust me, this soundstage and the one you're about to enter are just about the most incredible place. Here we go. Lock it up on the bell. Roll playback. Cue the sun. Cue the waves. Cue the thunder. Cue the rain. And action.
This is the emergency broadcast system. A Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 125 miles an hour is making landfall in New York. All residents are instructed to seek shelter immediately.
I'm live here in the Channel 88 newsroom. Let's go to one of our reporters in Midtown. They say this could be one of the storms of the century. What can you tell us?
Windows are blowing in all around us, trying to rip off the buildings. This is Kathy Tracy, Channel 88 News, live in Midtown.
only hope there are no people nearby.
This is the emergency broadcast system. The hurricane is now Category 5. Stay away from all windows and extinguish all flames. Repeat, extinguish all flames.
Everybody is urged to remain calm. The authorities have the situation under control.
Surprised to see you here, humans. You should know by now that I cannot be defeated. I may have lost the battle, but I will always rise up so I can win the war. The Allspark will be mine, and with it I will take over the earth. There's nothing you or Optimus Prime can do to stop me. All hail Lord Megatron! Come forward and pledge your allegiance.
Tapos na kami. Medyo maaga kami natapos sa mga rides kasi yun nga, naka-express pass. So, medyo pagod na rin. Try namin pumunta ng Vivo City. And then, from there, punta muna kami ng punta muna sila dito sa mga chocolate store, shops. Sabi ni Rachel, bibili daw pag may sale. Pero yung anak ko bumili na sa sa Candelicious. So yan, magkakatabi. Reese's, Hershey's, and yan, Hershey's Kisses. Nasa loob sila. Pasukin natin sila. Inside ito yung makikita. Reese's, all kind of Reese's. And then sa next, more on Hershey's naman. Ayan na sila. What?
That's $25 for the container, and you have to fill it with everything.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Right? Even the Hershey's bucket.
Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng hoodie. Kisses hoodie. Bagay sa anak ko yan. This one long sleeves lang. Jolly Rancher. Pangit.
Oh, what's that? That's
$49 for the big Hershey's. Oh yeah. Ayan, for $6. Ito yung mga 20 pieces daw yan. Para siyang vendo ng Kisses. Try si Danny.
What do you want? You want? You said you want.
Which flavor do you want?
She said she want to try it. You can mix and match. It's 6 pieces.
Oh wait, you can make them up?
Yeah.
Okay, you choose one?
What do you want? You don't understand. Ate said if you buy this, that's 300 grams for $15. This 100 grams is like 20 pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah, try.
Okay.
She don't know how to count.
No, she likes to try it.
Oh.
Put it like this.
Oh, I know.
You want almond? Okay.
You do it, Danny.
One more. Enough. If you want to mix and match, you have to do it.
I will do more.
You want more almond?
Okay, now the count.
Next one.
What else you got?
Milk chocolate, of course.
You're all this.
What is the difference?
Same. Color different. Yeah, same.
So this
I
is
like
milk.
green. Hey, that's the color that you like. Green. Green, huh? I love green. Hello.
Here you go.
Okay, you ask your mommy how many bread.
She has a lot of money.
Oh, you want to buy now? You pay money, huh? Now your mommy pay money, huh?
Okay.
How many bread you want? 100 bread, there's $6.50. Because your mommy say you pay, not your mommy pay.
She's paying.
You get
They don't know how much. This one is 86, $5.59.
you get red. You get red, anak. You get red. No.
Daddy red.
Red, huh? Okay, come on, red.
Go get red. Sige.
Not a lot.
Okay,
Enough.
enough, huh?
That's fine, that's fine. Oh, hindi gusto mo pang
Yeah, yeah,
A
lot.
lot already.
Never mind.
Lego store. A lot of Legos. All kinds of Legos. Grabe. Ang ganda ng design nila. Oh. Sentosa to yun. Oh, Sentosa. Sentosa yung design nila. Ang galing. Ayun o, meron ding MT or MRT. Galing. May Velociraptor din. Ang galing. Merlion. Nandun sa loob si Lego. Oh, galing. Build your own figurines. 3 for 16.90. Wow, gastos. Mahal nun. Whoa, I like this one.
Oh, that's so cute.
Who's that?
Sauron. That's Lord of the Rings. We're a fan.
Ayun yun, oh.
Ganda.
Ganda. Gusto ko niya. Ganyan kaya talaga kalaki yan? Yun nandun. Gusto ko yun, oh.
The Eiffel Tower.
May Dungeons and Dragons also.
The Eiffel Tower. What's on mine? Lego bricks. What's on mine?
It's 205.90 SGD. So how much is that?
140.
Your height? It's 140. Go. 140. Almost 140. How tall are you in Lego bricks? Okay. 140 Lego bricks. Spider-Man, 3D, Mona Lisa.
That one's great.
Gusto ko nun, no? Hindi ata siya yun. Yung pala, 649 pala siya. Yun yung price niya. Kano ba yun? Mahal nun, ah. Ang mga nasa 30,000 na yata yun, ah. Eiffel Tower. Bye, USS! So, babalik pa naman kami ng Sentosa this Saturday. Sunday pala, para sa Visions of Magic. So, punta muna kami ng hotel, pahinga, freshen up ng saglit, and then baka hanap kami ng Value Dollar Store mamaya, and then punta na kami ng Lau Pa Sat for dinner. Okay? So, yun. Bali, ang plan talaga namin is mag-MRT pa uwi. Kaso, kakapagod eh. And then, nasa $20 lang rin naman yung rate ng Grab. So, mag-Grab na lang kami. So, dito yung pick up ng Grab. So, book na lang kami. Yan. Inside. Go inside, anak.